How to efficiently and accurately package crunchy dried radish granules. The 10-head linear receiving machine integrates high precision weighing and high speed material receiving. After weighing, a linear conveyor feeds the measured amount of material smoothly and quickly into the empty tank below, designed specifically for irregular materials, ensuring the integrity and aesthetic appeal of products such as dried radish. Fully automated control significantly improves filling efficiency and accuracy, making it an ideal filling equipment for industries such as pickles, snacks, and dried goods.